Another thing you can do to your layers is add a layer effect. It's called a layer style or a layer effect. And I'm going to do that to this layer here, the flying taco. First thing I'm going to do is I want it to actually go the other direction. I want it to fly from right to left instead of left to right. And so I'm going to go up to Edit, down to Transform, and over to Flip. See, is it horizontal? There we go. So now it's going the other direction. Maybe a little twist. And I'm hitting enter to apply that transformation. Now I'm going to add a layer effect, or effects if you want to call it that. Here at the bottom, you'll see in your layers palette the letters FX, and you can click on that and you get a bunch of different options. I'm going to choose for this one Outer Glow. Now, yours may show up and not look quite like that. I've been playing with this one a little bit for different projects. The blend mode I'm going to go with is Screen in this case. Now they all do something a little different. The opacity I'm going to lower. Here, the noise and the contour are what we're giving it that effect. So I'm going to drop the noise way down. I don't want it to look quite so splattered. I also don't want it to be quite so large. I want it to be a little closer. Nope. So you can see, like, by playing with these different options within here, and let's choose a color closer to what's going on in the image. There, okay. And my opacity is lower. I'm going to up that up. And if I put it on normal mode, you'll see it's a much more vibrant color. Those same layer blend modes that you can do to your layers, you can do to your layer effects. Ooh, that looks cool. Okay, so I'm going to go with this and click OK. So that is one type of layer style that you can do. You can also stack layer styles. So if you look over here, you'll see I have Flying Taco effects. I can click on this again and put in another one. Let's say Bevel and Emboss. And you'll see on the menu side here, Outer Glow is still checked because that's still applied. And Bevel and Emboss, if I uncheck that, you can see how the image changes. Sure, why not? And again, I could mess with all of the different options over here. A bevel is like the edge of a mirror or the edge of glass where it's got that soft or that angular edge cut out of it. And so there's all kinds of different things you can play with to see what happens as you do it. Here's one. Let's see. Outer bevel kind of changes the edges on the outside there. And then I'm just going to click OK. So if you look here in my layers palette, you'll see I have my Flying Taco. I can turn all of the effects on or off by clicking on the eyeball, or just some of them. Maybe I don't want the bevel. Maybe I do. I can't quite decide actually. And that is how you apply